IB math students, here's a tricky question. The mean of the first 10 terms is 6 and the mean of the first 20 terms is 16. Can you find the 15th term of the sequence without listing anything? And here we're given the sum formula for the arithmetic sequence, which is Sn equals n over 2, brackets 2a plus in brackets n minus 1, d, where a is the first term, d is the common difference, and n is the number of terms. And we also know the mean always equals the sum of terms divided by the number of terms. And that's what we're going to use to solve this puzzle. And therefore, basically, we can now write the mean equals, and we'll use the sum equation. So the sum is represented by n over 2, brackets 2a plus, brackets n minus 1, d. And I guess all of that is going to be over the number of terms, which is represented by n. And now we can simplify this equation. As you see, there's an n on top and there's an n on the bottom. I could cancel these two n's. So the n will cancel with the n. And then my equation will be m equals 2a plus n minus 1 in brackets d all over 2. And as you know, when we're dividing the top by the bottom, the n's will cancel. And now, basically, we could use this equation now to solve the problem that we have right here. And since the mean of the first 10 terms for an arithmetic sequence is 6, I'm going to use this equation. Since the mean is 6, it's going to be 6 equals 2a plus, and since it's the 10 terms, I'm going to go 10 minus 1d all over 2, using the equation on the right there. I'm going to cross multiply the 2 into the 6. I'm going to get 12a equals 2a plus 9d. And now we're going to call this equation 1. And the second part of this word problem here, the mean of the first 20 terms of an arithmetic sequence, or if the arithmetic sequence is 16. So I'm going to write 16 equals 2a plus now 20 minus 1 all over 2. As a matter of fact, d, I forget to write the d there. And now what we're going to do here, we will cross multiply the 2 into the 16, and that's going to give me 32 equals 2a plus 20 minus 1 is 19d, and we will call this equation number 2. And now we'll go equation number 2 minus equation number 1. And therefore, we're going to get equation number 2, which is 32 equals 2a plus 19d. Take away 12, that's equation 1, 12 equals 2a plus 9d. And when we subtract, 32 minus 12 is going to give me 20. And the 2a cancels with the 2a, and 19 minus 9 is 10d. And therefore, we divide both sides by 10, and we get d equals 2. And at this stage now, we could solve for a. We're going to take one of the equations, doesn't matter, the first or the second, and we'll go with the first since it's smaller numbers. And we will have 12 equals 2a plus 9 times 2, since d is 2. And now that becomes 12 minus 18, which is negative 6, equals 2a. Just taking a shortcut since we don't have a lot of space. And a equals negative 3 since we're dividing both sides by 2. Now at this stage, now we could find what they're asking us for, which is the 15th term. Now T15 will equal a plus n minus 1 d, just rewriting the equation. And since we know a is negative 3, So that will equal -3 plus, and n is 15 here, so 15 minus 1. And we know d is 2, so multiply it by 2. And that will give us, we'll just use the calculator, and we will get 25, and that's the 15th term. At first, this question looks impossible, but once you use the mean formula for arithmetic sequence, everything falls into place. Follow for more IB math shortcuts. If this helped you understand the trick, hit like, comment your answer before checking the solution, and subscribe for more IB math shortcuts. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.